Hey guys, what's up? I've come to the realization that there are a lot of things that we are ignoring when it comes to ChatGPT, because as marketers or as anybody who is operating with anything with AI, as far as AI is concerned, I think we are doing a fair amount of injustice to ChatGPT, or doing an injustice to ourselves by not leveraging the full potential. What makes me say this, Descript proved exactly this, and it has changed the video game forever. All your hassles, all your excuses go down the trash bin, because Descript has made it anybody with any level of qualification or skill to go ahead and come up with an extremely interesting video that you can make in under 3 minutes. So what I'm going to talk about is a chat GPT that Descript has launched, which is open to public, and it comes with a 4-hour credit in terms of the usability or the tokens, for the lack of a better word. Then anybody can go ahead and have a script. Then Descript will go ahead and generate an end-to-end video with an amazing storyline and subtitles, whatnot. This blew my mind away, and if you're not doing this already, you're losing out, especially if you're a content creator or anybody for that matter. Today there is no specific tag as a content creator. Anybody in any line of business, in any line of work, has to create content to survive and thrive. So let's get started without any delay. I have already experimented this with the custom GPT, but I think if you want to go ahead, you just go to Explore GPTs and you search for Descript if you don't see this already, or since it's a new one, you will see it automatically. So you just click on this and it will go ahead and let you start the chat. Now this is where you go ahead and come up with something interesting, right? Now let's say you have something that you would want to speak about, and I want to talk about the day before the independence of India, highlighting the British sentiments and what exactly happened on the day before the independence, right? You can't obviously make this stuff up, so you're going to say refer all valid documentation and research that can be verified from reliable source, and make a script for me for an upcoming video, right? You have to leverage storytelling concepts and write me a script for a vertical video that is 9:16 ratio, and the script should be under 154 words, because technically that's how much is needed to come up with a vertical video, to come up with a shorts video. Now this is exactly what I've done. If you already have a predefined script, you can just put in your script here. If you don't have a script, you can generate the script first, and then you can let Descript take it away from there. Right, so I've highlighted this, and now it's going to search the web. It's come up with on the eve of Independence Day, blah blah blah, President Rajendra Prasad. This is the research that it's putting together, right? Now, if you like the script that you see, you can go ahead with this. I would say write in third person, and speak as if you are narrating the whole incident, and make it a very interesting, engaging, real story with awesome, realistic visuals, and make sure you stick to facts and open with an extremely hooking line that hooks the viewer in under 3 seconds. So you will see that how everything is related to prompt engineering in a way, because the better you are at writing prompts, the better is going to be your output. In a way, that is the only one differentiates you from the others who are using the same tools that it's available to everybody, right? Now, as the sun set on blah, 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 this seems a little interesting. So, okay, let's go ahead and make a video of this, right? Now this GPT will go ahead and it confirms 2 things. Script, are you happy with the narration? Do you want any tweaks? Visual style, what's the visual style that you have, right? So I'm just going to say I am okay with the script, and I would need a cinematic style of video, And I would say in a true documentary style, right? 9:16. Last time I tried a 9:16 vertical video, it did not give me, it just gave me a 16:9 video, but I'm not sure if that is still going to be the case. Because if that happens, you will have to readjust your thing using other tools. But let's see. Got it. Since you want a cinematic true documentary style, the best option for our available visual store styles would be watercolor and ink. It provides a dramatic blah blah blah. Okay. Let's go. So they only have 4 predefined styles, but I think it's amazing what this tool can do, because it blew me away when I tried it yesterday. And if you're not doing it already, you're just missing out on so much action with respect to video, right? Okay, it's going to access the API for Descript. You just say confirm. It comes with a basic 4-hour credit while using Descript. You have to navigate to Descript. It's not going to give you the video here, but you have to go to Descript and then something wrong. Here it takes you to Descript. You just have to sign into Descript. I'm just going to use my existing account. If you don't have an account, I would strongly recommend you to go ahead and sign up for an account. It automatically takes you to that particular video where you just have to go ahead and tweak anything if needed. It comes with a 4-hour credit, but I think I may have exhausted a few credits here and there because I used it for a project yesterday. So let's give it a few seconds to load. You click on this and then it takes you here. You see how it has automatically populated your script here. Okay, it's again giving me a 9:16. It's 16:9. Give us 2 minutes to create the first draft for you. Then use Descript's text-based editing and design tools to make it sound and look exactly like you want. An extremely beautiful, seamless coordination or integration between ChatGPT and what's possible with that integration, right? So this is your 1 minute 4 seconds video. So I can't wait to show you what happens. And they have, okay, let's go back to the beginning and let's go back to the beginning and then say, let's play it.
As the sun set on August 14th, 1947, India stood on the brink of a new dawn. In New Delhi, the Constituent Assembly gathered, anticipation electrifying the air. At the stroke of midnight, Jawaharlal Nehru rose to address the nation, delivering his iconic Tryst with Destiny speech, heralding India's emergence into freedom. Simultaneously, the subcontinent was undergoing a monumental transformation. The partition had led to the creation
This is beautiful. This is beautiful.
Resulting in mass migrations and communal strife.
Wow.
Families were torn apart and
4-hour transcription remaining.
Chaos. In Britain, the mood was one of mixed emotions.
This is brilliant,
After
guys.
centuries of colonial
Agreed, there are no animations. But I think this is extremely beautiful storytelling. So this is a story from end to end, and it just took you less than a minute to figure this out. And you can go ahead and change. You can remove the subtitles if you want. Let's say you can remove these subtitles, and you can come up with your own voiceover if needed, I think. Right? You can add your own voiceover to this. The subtitles are already here. You have the script. You can always delete the audio from here. And then let's say captions. So you can remove the captions if you want. You can also remove the audio side of things if you want. Right? Images. Completely reduce the volume of this video and then add your own voiceover. You can do amazing stuff. And not just that, we all know that Descript lets you go ahead and add, you can just upload your voice sample and then it will clone your own voice and it will make it seem like you are speaking this script out, right? So these are some of the amazing things that you can do, and all it takes is less than 3 minutes, I believe. I think this is just amazing. And if you're not trying out the ChatGPT plus Descript integration that's available as a custom GPT on ChatGPT, you're missing out. So don't do that. Let's get started and create those amazing videos. That's it for today. My name is Casey, signing off. See you on the other side.